You mentioned earlier there was Capsho. You said the interface was a little bit challenging for you.
Yeah.
It just wasn't more complicated than, for example, Podium.
The difference is that Capsho, you need to walk through all the steps to create all the different things and give it direction. So in some ways, it's probably once you learn it, it's more powerful. I will 100% own the fact that I did not invest the time into learning it. On the other side, the fact that my 2 episodes are gone and that yesterday I could not upload the episode, that's a technical fail.
Yeah.
And then, if you are, all these tools, as I said, collect your episode and run it through an AI model. A lot of them use ChatGPT, but ChatGPT in itself is a very powerful tool for bigger content creation. So, because AI is a statistical tool, the key thing is the prompt, right? You give the prompt, you tell AI, okay, create this for me. So write this for me for this audience, in the voice of. So in ChatGPT, for instance, you can upload a bunch of pages of your writing and then say, this is the style of my writing. And so you can say, write a summary of this article in my voice. And then that's where you start getting into the more dark corners of the ethics, if you will, because technically I could go on ChatGPT and say, write a novel in the voice of Henry James. And, a novel that talks about this plot in the voice of Henry James.
Yeah. I want to understand between Capsho, Podium, and Momento, which of those would you suggest or recommend to a listener who wanted to maybe offload some of the show notes support, social media, and transcriptions?
So I would say this, as I said, Henry has been very successful using Capsho, so I don't want to discount them. I am really enjoying what Podium is doing for me. And I also have a little bit of a bias because at the conference, I did spend time with the 2 founders of Podium, and I really like them. And I tend to form a relationship. Momento, I will say that if I had the time to invest in really learning the new updates that they've done in the video editing, Momento is incredibly powerful. Just to give you an example, when I was in the beta phase, and I don't have a TikTok account, but I just wanted to see what happened. So I opened a TikTok account, and then I literally just posted 5 text and graphic videos that Momento made for me just from the audio of my episode. So I went in, I chose a template, like literally 7 minutes of work. And the first one that I posted got 750 views on a TikTok account that had 0 followers and 0. And the quality is really good.